for people who are looking to buy a home, they're either renting at the moment and it's astronomical and they want to be able to buy, they're in the box room, you know, they want to buy a second-hand home that they're trying to move on, they're in a chain. How long do you think that they will have to wait? And I think it's an impossible question, but the reason I ask it is that James Brown was asked this on Wednesday before the launch of the plan, and they said, what would you say to people who want to buy their own home? And he just said, hang on. And I just think a lot of people will be so frustrated to hear something like that because they've been hanging on for years.
But he can't make a hostage to fortune too much, can he? He can't say, I'm going to put this date on it, I'm going to put this target on it. And they're not. They're keeping things vague because they don't know.
Yeah.
Really, they don't. They're hopeful. I think best case scenario, if all the levers were pulled, if all the levers that have been pulled worked effectively, if all the infrastructure interventions work, and if the state itself can go out and build more in the form of the LDA and incentivise the local authorities as well, you could be looking at a decent turnaround in what we're looking at in maybe 3 years. It could be a decade.
What we see.